Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to turn on two-factor authentication on Pinterest. Maybe you suspect that someone has access to your account, so you want to add an extra layer of protection to it. So today I'm going to show you how to turn on two-factor authentication on Pinterest. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Pinterest application and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, tap on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. On this page, tap on this three dots icon located at the top right corner. A menu will appear, and here, you should select the settings option. On this window, tap on the security and logins option. Here, you can now see this two-factor authentication option. Since you wanted to turn on this option, simply toggle on this button beside it. After that, a window will appear confirming your email. Simply enter your email in this section. Then tap on Next. Here, enter your password, and after that, tap on Next. Here, enter your phone number and tap on Next. Now, check your messages for the verification code. Once received, enter the code in this area. Then tap on this Verify button. After that, you now have successfully enabled two-factor authentication on Pinterest. From now on, whenever you log into your Pinterest account, you will be prompted to enter a verification code in addition to your password. There you go. If you wanted to know how to turn on two-factor authentication on Pinterest, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to turn on two-factor authentication on Pinterest, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.